been like, I don't want hard relationships. And so, person to grow. So it's like, if you're still feeling all of these exact same things, and like, let's just pick a timeline, like the next 3 years, when that variable, the Will Smith book. So make sure that you go into the info box and you click that and get plus price. And I've been an Audible subscriber now. .com/Shambooty for everybody. And if you're in the US.
All right, y'all, so I am about ready to go. This is my outfit. Nothing special, okay? I do love these leggings though, they're so good. They're from OYS Sports, by the way. Use my code for 10% off if you want. Also, this bag's from Teddy Blake, which I did a video on a few months ago, so go check that out if you haven't. I really wish I had like some white sneakers or something. That is the next thing that I'm gonna buy, is some white sneakers, because I don't know why I don't have any. Well, I do, but they're dirty. You have to like replace white sneakers like every year, and I haven't done that this year, so. But anyways, I'm just going to the mall and to get my hair done, so it's not really that big of a deal. So let's go. Look kind of weird right here, but nobody's looking at them from this angle. They're cute. Hey y'all, so I've got about 30 minutes to kill basically, so I kind of already know where I'm gonna go get the rest of everybody's gifts from. I'm just gonna change into these shoes that I just got because they're so cute. And shout out to my homegirl Chevelle for getting me these. I'm trying to decide if I wanna walk around, because like everywhere, like you have to stand in line to get into. Like Sephora, there's a line. There's a line everywhere, and I just don't wanna stand in a line right now. So I'm trying to think if I should go pick up my gifts from my cousins, but I only have like 20 minutes to do that, so I'm trying to figure out where exactly this Walmart is. Oh, it's 10 minutes away, so I could go get it and then just leave there and then head to the barber shop. Yeah, I'm not gonna walk around here. There's really no point in doing that. I'm either just going to go to the salon early or go to Miramar to pick up my order. Because the thing is, like, if I'm gonna go to Target, I kind of want to also just walk around and like see what else I can get from my peoples. You know, I don't want to show up to Jaleesa's salon early because I know that gives her anxiety. So I just don't know. Let me see how far away it is from here. The freaking appointment is at 3:30. Let me go to Target. I'm over here thinking this thing is at 2:30. It's at 3:30. Okay, well that solves that. And then I don't know, I guess I'll just have to like get some lunch or something because I need to eat. I'm gonna get hungry and I'm gonna be super. Oh, that's a good idea. And I can go to the acai bowl place. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm gonna go to Target, pick up my gifts for my cousins, and potentially get some other gifts for my family. I mean my parents, that is. And then I'm gonna go get an acai bowl from this place that I had the best acai bowl of my life. So I'm gonna go back there today and get their acai bowl because it's so good. It's gonna be my lunch so that I'm not hungry while I'm getting my silk press. Honey, I cannot wait. And then I'm gonna go to the salon. So yeah, let's go. Okay y'all, so I just got my cousin's gifts, all but one.
Hi.
Hi.
We're gonna have it right out for you, okay?
Okay, thank you. So yeah, I got gifts for my two oldest cousins. I still need to get gifts for my youngest cousin. And then something for my parents. I already have something for them, like I said, but I wanted to get them something else, but chill. Oh, here it is.
enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Be safe.
You too. I'm at Raw Juice. This is my new favorite acai bowl place. So good. Have yet to have anything as good as these people right here. Don't come blow up my spot though, because y'all like to do that. Okay, y'all, I'm at the salon. And yeah. And I'm on time for the moment. Kind of, sort of. Like a minute late, but whatever. Bruh. Oh my gosh. Bruh.
When did you get so many grades?
Bro, I don't know. Like, they literally just popped up out of nowhere. So we're gonna have a pattern. In the middle, like a full pattern. I know.
It's kind of cool though.
I don't want it. What's this? Oh, yay! I'm excited. Y'all, I look grown.
Like an adult. That's crazy.
I look grown, child. I know that's right. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say.